Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking photography Instagram post for your Instagram account. If you're a photographer and want to create a post featuring your photography in Canva, then this video is for you. If you have no experience with design or creativity, you don't have to worry. Canva allows you to modify or customize templates created by professional designers and creatives. Create your account in Canva and go to the search bar and type Photography Instagram Post. Then hit Enter. You will see Canva templates. To explore all the available options, go to the Templates section. Now you can see that everything from minimal and simple to professional templates is available here. You can simply choose whichever one you like and modify it as you wish, and your post will be ready. For now, I might go with this one, and this one is free. Just explore the options and choose whichever template you like. Then click on the Customize this template. Starting with the text, if you want to customize it, click on the text and double-click on it. You can change the color or add your own text, like this. You can add or remove text. And for more text customization features, click on the text, and these are the available options. You can change the font, change the color, make it bold, italic, underline, or strike through. You can try these features out, and you'll quickly understand how they work. That was all about the text customization features. Now, let's move on to replacing the image. If you want to replace the template image with your own photography, then simply go to Uploads and upload an image from your computer. After uploading the image, it will appear here. I'll go with this one, and I will just drag and drop it. If you want to adjust the position of your image, just double-click on it and adjust its position as well. If you want to change the background color, go to the background and click on it. Here is the option to change the color. Like this, you can change the background color as well. In a similar way, you can create or modify anything you like and change it as needed. Now you can add your own details, your own information, your own contact details, websites, your own font, your own text, and everything related to your branding, including colors and anything else you want to add or customize. When you're done with the customization or modifications, you can export or download your file. To rename it, go to the Share option, then click Download, and download it as a PNG or any other format you prefer. Just download it, and your photography Instagram post is ready to upload to your social media or Instagram account. Thank you for watching.